So we're in MDI. We'll go ahead and do code M122, enter. Then we'll go ahead and do cycle start. That'll release the collet. So then we can go ahead and take it out. So we'll go over here, hit reset so we can open the doors. Then we'll grab our fancy-mancy collet tool. I would never recommend doing this one hand. Without cupping it. See how it almost released right there? So dangerous. I'll drop it. These 3/8 collets, definitely heavy because they have so much material in them. And then we'll go ahead and start installing our Hardinge 16c collet. Get it started. Start using the tool. But this one will not work as it only has 3 holes, so that'll be interesting. So I got it installed very close as I can get before the edge, at the edge where it starts compressing the collet, and then I backed it off just a little bit so it'll have enough, a little bit of clearance. But I'll definitely be reaching out to see if Atlas offers an adapter instead of having it be a 3-way 16C collet. See if it has a 4 for Hardinge. And now we're going to go ahead and install our 3D printed spindle liner. Got the air compressor going on in the background, so that fits up like a dream. And now we'll go ahead and see how our 1 5/8 slides in there. Definitely a tight fit. Let's see how good centered it is. Slides in through the chuck. Collet. Have it stick out a little bit. Perfect, perfect. So now let's go ahead and see how she locks up when we clamp down the chuck. So erase our program, put in M124, enter, and then cycle start. Let's do reset. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.